Hi everyone, today I want to talk about the important life lesson of pouring your heart into everything you do. We often have multiple commitments and responsibilities, and while it can be tempting to just go through the motions, it's important to put our heart into everything we do. Misery results from a half-hearted commitment to anything, because we are constantly searching for something better or more worthwhile to channel our energy into. But when we pour our hearts into what we do, we can reap the positive benefits of our efforts. When we love what we are doing, we are more likely to feel fulfilled and satisfied in our lives. We can find joy in even the smallest of tasks and approach our responsibilities with a positive attitude. So let's pour our hearts into everything we do. Let's approach every task with enthusiasm and energy, and let's find joy in even the most mundane of responsibilities. Remember, the key to a fulfilling life is not about finding the perfect job or opportunity. It's about putting our hearts into everything we do and finding joy in the process. Thanks for watching.